Why we don't have women priest? Stree Paurohityam. Stree Paurohityam. Why we don't have? I just want to see your opinion. See, simple. You're confused. See, it's remember the term which I quoted in the beginning of this session. It is not about dignity. It's about vocation. It's about vocation. We have got different duties. See, നമ്മൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കി ഈശോയുടെ കൂടെ സ്ത്രീകൾ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു and Jesus valued women even more than those things which happened in that society. അല്ലേ? But still Jesus had 12 apostles and none of them were women. First thing, none of them were women. He selected males as his apostles. And at the foot of the cross there were women, right?
Yeah.
Even in the Pentecost, in the event of Pentecost, there are women. Mother Mary was there. But why we are not seeing any women at the Last Supper?
Because he passed it on to men.
Last Supper is the place where two sacraments were instituted. Which are they? The Eucharist.
And the church?
And the priesthood. Eucharist and the priesthood were instituted in the Last Supper. And there no women were present. And you know, Saint John Paul II, he once said, we cannot have women priesthood in the church. Why? Because Jesus instituted it like that. We cannot do that. We cannot help with it. This is the way Jesus instituted it. And yet another thing is that, see, it's all about a symbolism. Jesus is the bridegroom and church is the bride. And the priest is acting in person of Christ. മിശിഹ മണവാളനും സഭ മണവാട്ടിയുമാണ്. പുരോഹിതൻ ഈശോയുടെ പ്രതിനിധിയായിട്ട് നിൽക്കുക, ഈശോയുടെ ഇൻ പേഴ്സണൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ. അപ്പൊ അതാരാണ്? ബ്രൈഡ് ഗ്രൂം, വരനാണ്. And that should be a male. Then only the symbol will properly work. And the congregation of worship is the church is the people is the bride. This is the bridegroom. Should be like. It's not about holiness. It's not about dignity. It's about different vocation, different call we have got. See, ഇത്ര ഓർത്ത് വെച്ചേക്കണം നിങ്ങൾ പെൺകുട്ടികൾ കേൾക്കുന്നവര്. There is no priest as holier as Mother Mary. There is no priest ever in the history as saintly as Mother Mary. But Mother Mary was not a priest. It's not about holiness. It's not about holiness. It's not about dignity. We have got different call. Is that clear?
Yes,
fine.